Hello viewers, welcome to my channel glamvibeswithrish. And those of you don't know me, let me tell you, I'm Rishmi, and today on this video I'll show you two types of heatless curl. Yes, trust me guys, I'll show you two types of curls without using any curler, with only 4 things. And want to know what are the things? Let's go! So the things that you'll need are a comb, obviously to comb your hair, then water, I'm using a water spray bottle, some rubber bands, and obviously some socks. So let's begin. So guys, what I will do, I will show you the two types of hairstyle without using any curler in one go. Like I'll divide my hair into 2 halves, and on one part I'll show you style number 1, and on the other half I'll show you style number 2, so that you'll get a clear distinction between the two different hairstyles. So let's begin. First, I'm going to comb up my hair to make it more tangle free and easy to do my style. Now I'm going to do a middle parting, and then on one side I'll take a comb and take the upper section of my hair and brush it properly. Now wet your hair by using water. Here I'm using water spray, but you can also apply the water directly by using your hand. Now I'm going to tie the wet section of my hair into braids. Make sure you make them tight as much as you can. And whenever you feel your hair is still dry, apply more water on it to give it a nice curl. And then finally tie your hair with rubber band. Again, take the another section of your hair and comb it properly. Then add water and make your hair wet, and then pull it off. And finally, braid up your hair, and then tie your hair with the rubber band. And this is how your hair is going to look. Style number 2. On the other part of your hair, first comb up your hair to make it more tangle free. Then take the upper part section of your hair like you did for style number 1. And then by using water spray bottle, wet up your hair and pull it off properly. Now take a single pair of socks and bring it down on the end of your hair, and then pull it off in a circular motion and bring it to the upper end. And whenever you reach the upper part of your hair, tie a knot properly, like this. Again, comb up your hair and take the remaining section and use water spray to make your hair wet. Again, take another pair of socks and bring it to the end part of your hair, and then pull up your hair into circular motion and bring it on the upper part of your hair and tie it with a proper knot. Do the same process on the remaining hair. Okay guys, now I have done tying up my hair, and on one side you see some braids that I have tied with rubber band and using water, and on the other side I have used socks, water to tie up my hair. And I know it's looking quite funny right now, but trust me, when you will wake up tomorrow in the morning, you'll feel the difference. So all you have to do is now sleep and wake up tomorrow and see the difference. So let's go and sleep now. Hey guys, so this is how your hair will look on the next morning. It's a complete transformation from yesterday to next day. Believe me guys, this is done without any heating. Yes, you can see nice wavy hair on one side, and on the other side you see a complete different hairstyle of curl. viewers, I hope you like my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do like, comment and share my video, and wait for the next video to come. Thank you guys.